Tell me if this sounds crazy. What if I told you that in just a few months, every single DSLR and those $10,000 Hollywood cinema cameras are going to be nothing but overpriced paperweights? You probably wouldn't believe me, right? But today, a literal nuclear bomb just dropped on the tech world. And trust me, engineers at Canon and Nikon are officially losing sleep tonight. No fluff, no sponsored intros today. Straight to your screen, the absolute undertaker of the tech industry, the Sony Xperia Pro X Alpha. Boss, the fact that it has Alpha in its name is your first clue that this isn't just another smartphone. It's the new king of the concrete jungle. And the camera, man, this thing belongs in a sci-fi movie. Design. Now, I know what you're thinking. Hey, we've seen 3, 4, 5 camera setups before. What's the big deal? The big deal, my friends, is that Sony just deleted those tiny, useless peephole lenses from the back of the phone. When you flip this beast over, you are greeted by a massive, aggressive, real DSLR variable aperture lens. Yeah, the exact kind of glass Hollywood cinematographers use. You can literally watch the aperture blades physically open and close from f1.2 all the way to f5.6 right before your eyes. Picture this. You pull this out at a Starbucks, set it on the table, and the guy next to you completely forgets his iced latte. He's just staring, thinking, is that a camera that makes phone calls, or a telescope with a SIM card? And you just look back and say, both. And the build quality, forget aluminum and glass that shatters the moment you look at it wrong. This thing is forged from grade 5 titanium alloy. Yes, the same metal they use to build space rockets. If you drop this phone, don't worry about the screen, worry about the dent it's gonna leave in the sidewalk. Waterproofing. IP68 is ancient history. We're talking IP69K here. You could blast this thing with a high-pressure jet of boiling water, and it'll just smile and ask, is that all you got? Plus, it comes with a magnetic cinema grip that instantly makes you feel like you're carrying a whole Hollywood studio in your pocket. DSLR killer camera. Now let's talk about the soul of this machine, the camera. Instead of slapping 5 mediocre sensors on the back, Sony went all in on one ultimate weapon. Tucked inside is a mind-melting 300-megapixel mega sensor. And this isn't just a numbers game, guys. Powering those megapixels is a massive 1.2-inch monster CMOS sensor, which is roughly 12 times larger than your average smartphone sensor. When you combine 300 megapixels with a sensor that massive, the results are pure insanity. You can pinch to zoom into a photo until you're looking at a car miles down the road, and you'll literally be able to read the dust particles on the license plate. Night photography. It pulls in so much light it can practically turn midnight into broad daylight. And that variable aperture. Want a portrait shot with buttery smooth, natural background blur? Drop it down to f1.2 for that pure, authentic bokeh. Shooting a massive group photo? Dial it back to f5.6. Every single face, every blade of grass, so sharp it'll make your eyes hurt. For zoom, you get 10x pure optical zoom, which scales up to an insane 200x hybrid zoom thanks to that 300 megapixel sensor. Sitting in the nosebleed section at a concert, you can literally count the eyelashes on the lead singer. And video. Filmmakers are sweating right now. 12K video recording, because apparently, 8K is already old news. Pair that with 4K at 240 FPS ultra slow motion, and content creators are going to absolutely lose their minds. Display. If you're shooting in 12K, you need a screen that can actually show it. Sony delivered a 6.9-inch Bravia XR 4K HDR OLED display with a blazing fast 144Hz refresh rate. Swiping on this screen feels like gliding your fingers over pure velvet. Worried about using it in direct sunlight? Forget about it. With a peak brightness of 4500 nits, this screen will outshine the afternoon sun in the middle of Death Valley. Performance. Powering this entire beast is the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6, the world's most advanced chipset built on a 2nm architecture. You can edit 4 4K video timelines simultaneously while running a heavy AAA game in the background, and this chip won't even hiccup. But wait, won't all that power turn the phone into a frying pan? Sony thought of that. They actually engineered a physical, active cooling fan inside the chassis. The moment you push the phone to its limits, the fan kicks in, keeping the device ice cold. Best of all, it runs a completely clean, bloatware-free, pure stock Android 17. Battery life. Alright, so a spinning fan, a 300 megapixel camera, 12K recording, the battery must die in 30 minutes, right? Wrong. Sony somehow crammed a massive 9500 mAh graphene battery into this thing. Under normal use, you won't even look at a charger for 3 straight days. Even if you're a heavy creator shooting video all day long, you'll still crawl into bed with 30% left. And when you do plug it in, the 125-watt ultra-fast charging juices it from 0 to 100% in just 18 minutes. By the time you finish your morning coffee, you're fully armed for destruction. Price and launch date. So, when can you get your hands on this, and how much is it going to hurt your wallet? Full disclosure, guys, the Sony Xperia Pro X Alpha is currently a highly advanced concept that Sony is fast-tracking behind closed doors. Word on the street points to an official reveal around late 2026 or early 2027. As for the price tag, when it drops with that titanium body, 300 megapixel camera, and 12K video capabilities, expect it to land somewhere between $1,800 to $2,000. Now, that sounds like a massive chunk of change. But think about it, a professional camera body and lens setup easily costs $4,000 to $5,000. Here, you're getting all of that, wrapped inside a device that actually fits in your pocket. So, YouTube family, the ball is in your court. Do you think this 300 megapixel camera monster is the ultimate smartphone revolution? Would you drop $2,000 to replace your DSLR with this? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below.